Stacy Hamilton, and today I'm out at Rockwater in North Little Rock. I have been in awe of this house since the day it was built, and I'm so excited now to have the privilege to help find its next owner. You will have to pick your jaw up off the floor when you enter this home. The design is on point, the layout is perfection, and the community is unmatched to any you will find in Central Arkansas. All your main entertaining spaces are enhanced with a river view. The primary bedroom is on the main level, overlooking the river with a patio. Let me say that again. The primary bedroom is on the main level, overlooking the river with a patio. Additionally, upstairs, you'll find 3 more bedrooms, a huge bonus room, and a home office with a river view. Do you enjoy life on the water? At Rockwater, your boat is parked steps from your front door. Do you go cycle or run? Rockwater has a playground, a skate park, and the bike pump track just right down from the house. Rockwater is leveling up to expert living.